What's up everybody? Nate here, and today we're going to be checking out the cryptocurrency investing app, BlockFi. BlockFi is probably one of the simplest and easy to use cryptocurrency investing apps on the market. And even if you're an absolute beginner when it comes to cryptocurrency, you should have absolutely no problem using BlockFi to buy, sell, and hold your cryptos like Bitcoin and Ethereum. I just downloaded the app a little while ago and set up an account, and it was super easy and super quick to do. And if you want to do the exact same, be sure to use the link in the description below. We have an affiliate link with BlockFi, and if you do decide to click the link in the description below and sign up for an account, we will be compensated. But that does not change any of my opinions or ideas that I have about BlockFi in this video. And as of recording this video, you can get up to $250 worth of Bitcoin when you buy crypto or fund your account on BlockFi. Today we're going to go over everything you need to know about BlockFi. We're actually going to go into the app itself, and I'm going to show you all of the features and security and functionality of BlockFi. I'm going to show you some things I love about the app and some things that I think it needs to improve on. But without further ado, let's actually jump into the BlockFi app and check it out. All right, so if you click the link in the description below and sign up for your free BlockFi account, you should be taken to a page that looks something like this. This is going to be your BlockFi homepage, and it's basically the hub for all of your cryptocurrency investments with BlockFi. Now, of course, BlockFi is going to have a ton of questions for you when you first sign up for the app, so make sure you answer them all as best as you can, and that'll lead you over here where you can start funding your account and making some purchases. Now, the first thing I want to show you is how to actually fund your account when it comes to BlockFi. This is going to allow you to purchase your cryptocurrency like Bitcoin and Ethereum. Right from the homepage, BlockFi makes it super easy. You can go over here to fund, and then it's going to give you a bunch of different options on where you want the money to come from to fund your account. So for this video, we're just going to go with the basic bank transfer. So you can go ahead and click bank transfer, and then it's going to show you a particular bank that you can use to fund your BlockFi account. If you don't see a bank account here that you want to use, you can go to manage bank account, and you can actually go down to this plus at the bottom right-hand corner, and you can add a new bank account. BlockFi uses Plaid, which is super easy to use and super secure. It basically just connects your bank account with BlockFi. And me personally, I've seen a ton of other investing apps use the exact same thing, and I've never had a problem with it as of yet. If you haven't linked your bank account as of yet, go ahead and click that plus button in the bottom right corner of your screen, and you can add your own bank account. Once you've done that, we're going to go back over to your select bank page, and I'm just going to click my bank. It'll ask you how much money from your bank account that you want to purchase on BlockFi. So you can go ahead and click any amount that you want here. You have to input at least $20 or else the transaction isn't going to go through. Now, one thing I do want to point out here when it comes to BlockFi is you are actually purchasing GUSD when you start funding your account. When you do these ACH transfers, you're not actually buying cryptocurrency with US dollars. You're actually using GUSD to buy crypto. GUSD is just Gemini dollars. So Gemini is the overall platform that manages BlockFi. So just keep in mind, any amount of money that you put into BlockFi is going to be converted into GUSD. Now, GUSD is 1-to-1 to the US dollar. So for instance, if you put in 10 US dollars via this ACH transfer, then you'll have 10 GUSD dollars to use on BlockFi. So it's a little bit complicated, a little bit different than some of the other apps that we've reviewed on this channel. But for the most part, you're going to be able to use the exact same money that you would on any other app. It's just going to be considered GUSD. Now, I will say if you go all the way back to your funding method and you use wire transfer, you can actually use cash to buy cryptocurrency. But it takes a little bit longer to do that, and a wire transfer comes with some additional types of fees. So keep that in mind as you fund your account and buy cryptocurrency on BlockFi. So that's the actual funding method. So if you go back to the home page here, I've already put in $100 worth of assets on BlockFi. So this is the amount of money that I can use to now buy cryptocurrency on BlockFi. This is $100 into my BlockFi wallet, which is going to allow me to safely store my GUSD while I'm waiting to buy other cryptocurrencies. Again, GUSD is just a stable coin that is 1-to-1 to the US dollar. Now let's kind of explore the rest of the app here, because to be completely honest with you, BlockFi is one of the most simple cryptocurrency investing apps out there. Basically, this app is the best for if you're just looking for something that is going to allow you to purchase and trade cryptocurrencies. I'll show you what I mean. If you go down here to markets, this is going to be all of the different cryptos that that you can buy, sell, and hold on BlockFi. Obviously, you don't see GUSD here, which is a stable coin and a cryptocurrency, but anytime you put money onto BlockFi, then you're automatically going to get GUSD. Otherwise, you've got some other types of coins here. You've got Bitcoin, Ethereum, Dogecoin, and Litecoin, and you've also got a few other different types of stable coins. Right here to the right, it's going to tell you the current value of all of these different coins, and it's going to tell you if they're going up and by how much, and if they're going down and by how much. The easiest way to start purchasing crypto on BlockFi is to just go over to the markets page and then just click on whichever cryptocurrency you want to buy. So for instance, if I click on Ethereum here, it's going to ask me where I want the money to come from. So I can choose my bank account, which would be from a wire transfer, or I could actually go down to GUSD, which is a little more convenient since I have that amount of money already on BlockFi. And then I can just choose the amount that I want to buy. We can actually go $1.50 here because that is the minimum amount. It's going to show me the amount of GUSD that I'm spending per how many Ethereum coins. So it's not a lot. I'm buying a fractional share of Ethereum, not an entire piece of Ethereum, which is valued at well over $2,000 right now. If that all looks correct to me, I can go click review at the bottom there, and then it's going to show me exactly what I'm buying. I can repeat this trade, which is pretty cool. It allows me to kind of automate my investments every day, every week, every first of the month, and every 15th of the month, so I can basically just fund my account and then forget about it later. That allows me to easily invest in cryptocurrency without really much thought. So pretty cool. If you go ahead and click on confirm here, then you're going to actually buy that much of Ethereum. So you traded $1.50 of my GUSD for 0.0049089 Ethereum. Very, very simple. And now I own some of the Ethereum. Total asset value went down to $99.98 because I did just spend some of the amount in my wallet. If I want to see any of the transactions that I've made, I can go down here to the very bottom of the home screen and see transactions. I can see that I brought over $100 in an ACH transfer, and then I can also see that I spent $1.50 of my GUSD on Ethereum. Of course, if I had more here, I could go view all, and then this list would be completely full of all of the things that I'd wanted to do. And then of course, if I go all the way back up to the home page, I can go ahead and click this arrow to the right here, which is going to show me everything that is in my wallet. I can see any repeat trades that I have and any transactions that I've made of moving cryptocurrencies in and out of this wallet. So if I was to take any GUSD or Ethereum out of this wallet and transfer it to someone else or a different wallet, then that would appear in this transaction. Of course, if I had any repeat trades of Ethereum every day, every week, or twice a month, then that would all appear here as well. And this just shows me kind of how my money is being allocated, where my money is actually at within my wallet. Most of it is in GUSD and just a little tiny sliver is in Ethereum at the moment. I will say you got to be careful on BlockFi because they do have limits on what you can withdraw and how long your cryptocurrency and funds should remain in your wallet before you actually start withdrawing your money. That's pretty common though, so don't let that scare you away from BlockFi. A ton of other apps have the exact same feature. As you can see here, BlockFi has some other really cool features, like they have their BlockFi card, which allows you to get a Visa card that you can then swipe at any retailers that you want and spend your cryptocurrency. So then your crypto is going to be converted into US dollars that you can then use at particular locations. It's all just going to depend on how much money you actually have in your BlockFi account. Another cool thing to note here is that BlockFi is going to keep all of your money in a wallet. That wallet is FDIC insured. So your money is backed by the United States government with the GUSD stablecoins. So with that being said, BlockFi is super safe, super easy to use, and like I said, one of the most simple apps when it comes to buying and selling cryptocurrency. While BlockFi is probably one of the most simple apps out there when it comes to being able to buy and sell cryptocurrency, that is all that is pretty much going on here. You don't really have a lot of other options. I mean, if I go down here to the markets area and I go view all, I can select any one of these that I want to buy. This is a pretty limited list compared to some of the other cryptocurrency investing apps out there. And the bigger deal is that if I click on Bitcoin in particular, all this is going to bring up is a trading page. I'm not actually seeing any information about Bitcoin. And of course, I can trade some of my Ethereum that I just bought for Bitcoin, but I can't actually see any trading history or news about Bitcoin. All this app allows me to do is literally just buy and sell cryptocurrency. And I think that is one of the biggest cons I have about BlockFi is if you are an absolute beginner and you're just looking to buy crypto, then it's pretty simple and it is really easy to use. However, if you're the beginner and you don't really know a lot lot about cryptocurrency, well, this app is not going to do much to actually educate you or keep you updated on the market. All you're going to have here is the very raw data of Bitcoin going up by 4.4% as of recording this video. You're not actually going to have the full history of Bitcoin. You won't have any news. You won't see if it's really trending and what other traders think about Bitcoin at this particular moment. There's just not a lot of info on BlockFi. Really, all you're able to do is purchase and withdraw your cryptocurrency. And this main dashboard is pretty much all that is going on. That is pretty much all of the basic features when it comes to BlockFi. Like I said, it is great for the beginner or expert who is just looking to buy or trade cryptocurrency. It makes for a super clean investing experience. You don't have all of the noise of news or updates or other info that might distract you. However, if you are looking for a lot of that and you're an absolute beginner who needs to know what is happening in the market to help influence your trades, then BlockFi might not be for you. It really just comes down to what your experience level is and what exactly you are looking to do when it comes to crypto. But for me, I'm probably just going to use BlockFi as a way to set up reoccurring investments for Bitcoin, Ethereum, and other cryptocurrencies. There's not really a reason for me to open the app other than just to withdraw my funds and make sure everything is going okay. But that is it for today's video, everybody. I hope you liked this one, and if you did, be sure to hit that subscribe button below. That is it for me. Be kind out there, and I'll see you all in the next one.